Are you trying to choose the best documentation tool? Today, we're comparing Mintlify, Gitbook, and Docusaurus to help you find the right fit. All three tools help you create and manage documentation. They make it easier to share information with your team or users, but each one has its own unique features and strengths. Let's start with Mintlify. This tool is known for its clean design and user-friendly interface. It focuses on making documentation easy to read and navigate. Mintlify also offers smart search features, which means finding information is quick and simple. Plus, it integrates well with other tools, making it a great choice for teams. Now, let's look at Gitbook. Gitbook is popular for its collaborative features. It allows multiple users to work on documents at the same time. This is perfect for teams that need to write and edit together. Gitbook also has a strong focus on organization with options for creating structured content easily. Next up is Docusaurus. This tool is great for developers. It helps you create documentation websites quickly. Docusaurus is customizable and can integrate with various coding projects. If you are looking for a tool that fits into a tech stack, this might be the one for you. When comparing these three, the key differences stand out. Mintlify is best for simplicity and design. Gitbook shines in collaboration, and Docusaurus is ideal for developers needing flexibility. In terms of pricing, Mintlify and Gitbook offer tiered plans based on features. Docusaurus is open source, which means you can use it for free, but you might need some technical skills to set it up. So, who should choose what? If you want a clean and simple interface, go for Mintlify. For team collaboration, Gitbook is your best bet. And if you are a developer looking for customization, Docasaurus is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.